Hey guys, welcome to another lesson in our After Effects course. This one we're going to be talking about exporting. So you are done with your composition, you've created your animation, and now you want to do something with it. Whether you want to export it and take it to another video editing software like Final Cut Pro or Adobe Premiere, you'll need to know the right settings to do that with. Or you want to post it on YouTube. Well, let's talk about exporting. So it's different than other programs because you don't just go to File, Export, and then click your settings. You actually have to go to Composition, Add to Render Queue. And this is basically the same thing as exporting. Once you do that, it will add it to your Render Queue tab, which is down here on the bottom of your screen. And you'll see it right here. So there are different settings you want to use. First, if you click this best settings option, it should be best, resolution should be full, and that's pretty much all you want to do there. If you want to change the frame rate, you can do that. But really where you get into settings is where it says lossless. That's what it comes up with at the start. That's the automatic setting that it will have set for you to export as. And lossless means it's full quality, full QuickTime quality, and when you click lossless, you get this little output module settings box pop up. You'll see different options, format. You can choose, between QuickTime, MPEG, Flash. You can just do a PNG sequence. You can do just the audio, etc. So QuickTime is pretty much my go-to. Video output, you'll have different channels. Typically, you just want to do RGB, depth, millions of colors, color, pre-multiplied, matted. That's totally fine. But there is this format options button. Here you'll find the codec, and this is where you want to change it depending on what your purpose is. Animation will give you perfect full quality. It's great quality for exporting and bringing into another project. The problem is the file size is huge, so your projects will be in the gigabytes. But here you can see that there's all sorts of options. So H.264, this is if you want to export to YouTube, you'll just click H.264. Or there's all different ones. So say we want to go to YouTube, we'll just click H.264, click OK. If you have audio, you want to make sure that you click this audio output option, and again you can change the format to AAC or whatever you want. Usually I just leave as uncompressed and press OK. Clicking this output to starfield.mov, clicking the starfield.mov, this will allow you to choose where you want to save it to. So you just go through your documents and find where you want to save it to. Type in the right title, click save, and then you click render. It will render out. You will see a yellow bar go through. I'll just show you what it looks like. And your composition, it will be previewed as it goes through. So if you want, you can watch it and make sure that every frame is rendered properly. And so as you can see, you have this yellow bar coming across, and it is rendering. So that is how you render and export your movie. So basically the things to remember are when you click on the lossless down here, that's where you can go to format and choose what settings you want. If you want full quality, just leave it at animation. If you want something a little bit more compressed but still at high, practically perfect quality, choose H.264. Make sure the quality bar is set to 100%. Select where you want to save it and then press render, and I'll show you how this looks. So it will give you that little bling. Now I'm just going to go into my files, find where it's saved. This is in Starfield. Okay, can double click that to open it and preview it in QuickTime. And there we have our full quality composition. Cool. I think that's pretty awesome, guys. I hope you do too. Thank you for watching this episode on exporting. If you have any questions, please let me know. Otherwise, I will see you next time.